everybody, it's Matt from Rainy Haven Homestead. Got the new birds finally out, well, the meat birds finally out on grass. Already got them eating, feeding. They've literally just been in there a few minutes, but they did not want to go in the pet carrier to get them out here. All 5 of them in the pet carrier weighed 16 pounds. So give them a few more months to fatten up. Find out which ones are roosters, which ones are hens. We'll have ourselves some dinner. But anyway, like, share, subscribe, comment. You know how everything works. Take care. God bless.